What's up, guys? It's Nathan here from Worship Calling in the Worship Journal Guitarist Edition. Got ourselves another Tone Master Tuesday. Still been kind of messing with my presets, and last time I shared with you the RTA I was using. Go back and check out that video, kind of how I use it to help me level out my EQ. All the details are in that video, so check it out. So this time I wanted to share with you, I don't know if you've ever been in this situation. We create these presets and we look at, the meters on the Tone Master Pro on the master mixer, or maybe we look at the mixer, maybe we're plugged into a mixer, we look at the dB levels on the mixer, and it's like, man, everything looks good. All the dB levels are about the same, so everything should just work. And then you get into the stage volume setting where you're either in rehearsal or you are at a live show, and you pull up a preset and it is noticeably quieter or noticeably louder than the previous preset, and it drives you insane, right? How do I overcome that? I overcome that using a loudness meter. And so the loudness meter that I'm using right now is Orban's loudness meter. There's a few different ones out there. I've used a couple different ones. This is the one I've kind of been gravitating towards here lately. I'll have a link in the description. And so what it does is it creates levels of perceived loudness. This is not just taking your dB or your decibel peaks and saying that's your level. It's actually using a formula to create a loudness level. Okay, so as some of you probably know, different frequencies are perceived to be louder than other frequencies to human ears. It takes all that into consideration, right? So it's taking everything you're throwing at it and giving you a true loudness level. LUFS, LUFS is what it's called. It's a LUF. That's LUFS is the measure of loudness in a loudness meter. And so you can use this app. It's just like that RTA I was showing before. It's just a standalone app. It supports the ASIO driver for the Tone Master Pro. So it's getting all its sound straight off the Tone Master to create these loudness levels. So you can look at these meters, play through one preset, pull up the next preset. Is there a huge drastic difference, right? Of course, you may have to adjust things to a room, right? Certain rooms are going to have certain frequencies that reflect back stronger than others. So, of course, you're going to have to adjust to a room, but this is going to give you a really good starting base to get all your presets at at the same loudness level out of the gate, and then adjust to the room, adjust to your taste if you need to. But it's a great starting point. And so I just wanted to share that with you guys. Kind of a short video today, but I think it's a great tool that all of us can use and benefit from. So I wanted to share it with you. So if you find any of this content useful, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all of you that have subscribed. It really helps me out. But yeah, check it out. Use that loudness meter. It's a true perceived loudness. It's not just a dB peak meter. Use a loudness meter. See where your presets are compared to other presets. And as always, make every strum count. I'll see you guys next time.